Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the system so the update runs without interruptions. Plug in power and save any open work. Windows updates can restart automatically. Make sure you have at least 20% free disk space or roughly 20 GB free. Low space causes failures. Backup critical files to an external drive or cloud before proceeding because system updates change core files. Once done, open Settings. We'll start the update process immediately so you don't waste time. Open Settings, go to Windows Update and click Check for Updates. This fetches cumulative and feature updates. Install feature updates first because they include platform changes, then apply optional driver updates if needed for hardware stability. If multiple updates queue, install in the recommended order and watch for prompts. Once updates download, click Install and allow the system to prepare. Make sure active hours are set so automatic restarts happen at a convenient time, not during your work. After installation, let Windows restart and complete setup. Do not interrupt power during finalization because that risks corruption. Once the system is back, check Settings Update History to confirm success and open Device Manager to ensure drivers are healthy. If something failed, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and then retry the update. If errors persist, note the error code and uninstall recent drivers or perform a system restore to the last backup. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most update failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.